In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a flowchart in Miro in just 5 minutes. Whether you're collaborating with a team or working on a solo project, creating a flowchart can help simplify complex processes and communicate your ideas clearly. Let's dive in and get you started. First, you'll want to head to your Miro dashboard. Once there, you have the option to either open an existing board if you're continuing to work on a project, or if you're starting from scratch, simply click New Board. This will give you a fresh space to begin crafting your flowchart. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a toolbar. This is where you'll find the Shapes tool. Click on it. This feature is incredibly handy as it allows you to drag and drop standard flowchart shapes directly onto your board. Miro provides a wide selection of shapes designed specifically for building flowcharts, ensuring you have the tools you need to effectively map out your process. Alternatively, for those of you who prefer working with preset layouts, you can click on Diagram and then select Start with a Template. This is a great option if you're looking to save time or need a bit of inspiration to get moving. There are several pre-made templates available. Browse through them and choose one that fits your project's needs best. Once you have your shapes laid out or your template selected, you might find the need to adjust them. Feel free to resize or reposition the shapes as needed. This flexibility ensures your flowchart is not only effective, but well organized and visually appealing. Customizing your flowchart to fit your brand or personal style is also made simple with Miro's top toolbar. You can easily change colors, fonts, and border styles. This is where you can truly make your flowchart unique. A well-designed diagram not only looks professional, but can also enhance understanding for those viewing it. When your flowchart is starting to take shape and you'd like some feedback, click Share in the top right corner to invite team members. Collaboration is seamless with Miro, allowing others to view and contribute to your project in real time. If you're ready to present your work, use the Present option. This feature is perfect for walking others through your flowchart step by step, ensuring everyone is on the same page and understands the process flow. Finally, after all your hard work, you might want to keep a copy for yourself or share it externally. To do this, click the three-dot menu at the top of the screen and select the export option that best suits your needs. There you have it, a beautifully crafted flowchart ready to go. With these simple steps, you can effectively create a detailed and visually appealing flowchart in Miro. Happy charting!